Welcome. In this video, we will look at a strategy for your success in your AI journey. If you are looking at developing production scale products on AI, you are in the right video. What should be your strategy? The potential to apply AI to develop products that serves millions of customers is very real, and very little people have exploited that potential. And so, what should be your strategy so that you can actually ride that wave? How do you jumpstart in this journey? And how do you actually develop cool new products that hit the market in great scale? Is there a friendly framework that lets you jumpstart with instant setup? Is there a strategy for you to develop cool products that runs on the scale of cloud and leverages deep distributed cloud training with production grade inference? In this video, we will cover the strategy for you so that you can succeed in the applied AI world and create cool new products. So, what defines success? The scale of data and the scale of compute with the power of deep learning. So, really, you need a developer friendly library to develop and iterate and experiment with different network architectures and models so that your neural network can actually be right generalization of your large data set. Also, you need a lot of compute and a library that is enabled on the latest set of hardware that lets you compute on scale, such as TPU, GPU kind of things. You need a pretty good developer friendly library that can be trained on the cloud, instantly set up, affordably priced. So, what should be my strategy? How do I succeed in the AI space? Is there a fastest way to get to the success? How do I create products that fly in the market? Keras, a library officially supported on TensorFlow by Google, is a key choice in this space. It lets deep learning accessible to everyone, a friendly Python library that makes it easy for development, designed for humans, an API that lets you play and experiment quite fast. Get state of the results. Most of the Kaggle winners use this library to win the competition. An easily productizable concept can be developed out of this and deployed in a wide set of form factors and either on cloud or on client devices. And a framework that supports you to plug in any backend engine of your choice. So, looking at a scalable product that you want to deploy for millions of customers, well, a library such as Keras, which is so developer friendly, combined with the power of compute on the cloud, lets you get way ahead in your deep learning journey and make the product that millions might want to use with an accuracy that a deep learning framework can provide. So, turning research into products is now easy, made possible with running a library like Keras on the cloud. While Keras allows you to do easy prototyping, turn your ideas into production products, and also provides flexibility to choose multiple backend engines, and you can swap them at will. You can also deploy products that exploit the power of multi GPUs, multiple clusters of servers for deep distributed training. It also lets you quickly jumpstart with instant setup, and all you need is a browser most of the time. So there are different choices that is available on the cloud platforms. Some amazing platforms are available for you to leverage and make this journey possible. AWS, the Cloud ML engine from Google, the Azure platform. Some of these choices are really amazing. You need to try out these. Why do you want to use cloud for your deep learning journey? Because really the deal is about huge compute and huge data, and that is something that you can exploit with distributed deep learning on the cloud using very few lines of code. So why should I invest? Where should I invest? If you're looking at developing a product and also fast experimenting, then probably Keras is a great choice. Actually, it could be the right choice for anyone that is beginning in the AI journey, and also the right choice for anyone that also wants to develop a product and serve millions of customers. So Keras is officially supported on TensorFlow Core API by Google, and most of the APIs and the models are compatible, and you can mix and match TensorFlow and Keras functionality, do deep distributed training on Cloud ML, and serve millions of customers from the cloud, enabling deep learning for everyone. So, great investment choice. So, if you're looking at turning your ideas into products, you want to deploy it across multiple form factors: Apple, Android, browser, cloud, Raspberry, and there are different Keras implementations. All you need is a single frame library that is so friendly that runs across different form factors. It's similar to write once, run anywhere. The promise of Keras. Really amazing. You can develop and deploy at speed and at great scale. And you will get also the benefits of multiple algorithms, a different libraries such as TensorFlow, Microsoft CNTK, Theano, MXNet, all in a single API. All you need is a friendly library Keras with a code that is written in Keras. You can flip the backend engine in matter of seconds so that you can get the best of multiple backend engines at your will. So, an amazing library, and that's what people are searching for. In summary, if you are looking at a success strategy for your AI journey, keep looking at how you can leverage the power of cloud with a developer-friendly API for deep learning. Keras seem out to be a good option, really a best option when you are looking at a complete AI journey beginning from exploration to piloting, implementation, and deployment for millions of customers. Jumpstart is easy with Keras on cloud with various cloud platforms. Keras is an API for humans and with optimized defaults make your jumpstart really fast. And during piloting, you can iterate through various models by quickly adding networks, layers, and even pre-trained models. And you would be able to leverage the power of compute on the cloud with multi-GPU, TPU systems with Keras. And you can also even switch the backends from TensorFlow to CNTK to MXNet in matter of few minutes. And finally, you can save your models and then either do prediction on the cloud for millions of customers or actually take it to IoT devices, Raspberry Pi and so on, or run it on the browser. No wonder Keras seems to be an ideal success strategy for anyone looking at being an expert in deep learning or looking at product development or a solution development on real scale. An amazing book on deep learning